Plant profile, tulips. Tulips and other spring blooming bulbs are the ultimate set it and forget it plants. Just dig a hole in the fall, plop the bulbs in, cover, and forget about them until they bloom in the spring. Tulips like a sunny spot in well-draining soil. They do not like sitting in wet spots or in full evergreen shade. Most public gardens and many veteran gardeners treat tulips as annuals and just pull them out and compost them after they bloom. They will return for you for a few years, but will eventually peter out. So just budget and plan to replace them every couple of years and experiment with new varieties while you're at it. By the way, there's no need to cut the foliage back or tie it up. Just let it die naturally. If the sight of the dying foliage bothers you, plant new spring annuals and perennials around it to fill in and disguise the decaying leaves. Deer and squirrels can be a pest for your tulips, so apply an organic deterrent like blood meal, hot pepper spray, or deer repellent if that's an issue for you. If you get too busy to plant your tulips in the fall or live in the deep south, don't despair. You can purchase them in pots already forced into bloom at local garden centers and florist shops. This spring, take note of what kinds you like best and mark your calendars to order them in May and plant them in November. My favorite tulips include Angelique, Princess Irene, Black Parrot, Blue Amiable, and Spring Green. In the Washington, D.C. region, there are wonderful tulip viewing spots, including the Floral Library on the National Mall, maintained by the National Park Service, the Franciscan Monastery, which times its tulips to bloom at Easter peak, the Sherwood Gardens Neighborhood Park in Baltimore, and many other public gardens in our area, such as Hillwood, Brookside, and Meadowlark. See our blog for top tulip ordering sources. Tulips, you can grow that.